I want to show you how easy it is to create bridge pages that contain either pay.com or jvzoo.com affiliate links. Now, as you may know, unfortunately, Facebook does not like either Jvzoo or pay.com. And when you try and post it, you will see the message that says this goes against our community standards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create two promotions here. I'm going to call this Members Kit, which is a really fantastic and easy to use membership software. And I use it for all of my membership sites and it's really good. I have my Members Kit Jvzoo URL here. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to put in my headline here. I can actually highlight this text and I can just put a highlight color on it. And I could put the color of the text as white. So it'll come up like that. I enter in my YouTube. I paste that in. That is it. I'm just going to publish that and I'm going to view that page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take my link here. I'm going to go into Facebook. And I'm going to share this link. Now, what I'm actually going to do as well is I'm going to upload a picture to go with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my photos. I'm going to find the Members Kit photo that I have here that I created earlier. And I'm just going to paste in the link here. And I click on share. And what you will see is that the link comes up here. So let's try that now with a pay.com link. And I'm going to go back in here. This is my pay.com. I'm going to look for a suitable image as well. And I'm going to just upload that. So I found a good image. Let me just open this up here so that we can just see it. Okay, looks really good. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to Facebook. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to, again, upload my image just to make it a little bit more interesting. And I'm going to copy my link in here. And I click on share. You will see that those two links are now available and there's absolutely no problems with Facebook here. So if you want to continue to promote Jvzoo, pay.com, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, any links that you want, and you want to create simple bridge pages, then WP Quick Promote is the easiest, fastest, and best solution for your needs.